Hello YouTubers, on this episode I will unbox my brand new Autobody repair tools. The tools are branded Martin and it's a 7-piece fender repair set. I'll show you what came in the box. First, we have a light dinging spoon. Next, we have a universal dolly. It has good weight to it. This is a heel dolly. This is a toe dolly. It also has good weight to it. Next, we have the hammers. This is a wide nose Peen hammer. It has a fiberglass neck. It feels of good quality. This is a short curve cross peen hammer. And lastly, we have a shrinking hammer. It has two faces. The serrated face is for shrinking dents, and the other face is for light dinging. On a later episode, I will demonstrate the performance of this 7-piece set. Thanks for watching. Until next time.